Imagine this. You're sitting at home on a normal evening. The lights are on. The internet is working. Your refrigerator is running. Your phone is charging. Everything feels normal. Then suddenly, darkness, the lights go out. The Wi-Fi disappears. The air conditioning stops. The refrigerator falls silent. And within seconds, you realize something most people rarely think about. Modern life depends on electricity. Almost everything we do relies on a constant flow of power. And when that flow stops, even temporarily, everyday life changes fast. For decades, most people assumed the grid would always be there. But storms, equipment failures, natural disasters, cyber threats, and growing demand have caused more people to ask an important question. What happens when the power stops? And more importantly, what's your backup plan? Today, we're breaking down every major backup power system as simply as possible. We'll uncover how they work, their strengths, their weaknesses, and why more people are becoming interested in energy resilience than ever before. Let's open the file. Why backup power is becoming important for most of human history. Losing electricity wasn't a problem because electricity didn't exist. Today it's different. Your lights depend on it. Your communication depends on it. Your food storage depends on it. Your work may depend on it. Even access to information often depends on electricity. The hidden truth is that modern civilization is incredibly powerful, but it's also highly dependent on energy. As our dependence increases, so does the importance of having alternatives. That's where backup power enters the picture. Not because people expect disaster every day. The first line of defense, let's start with the simplest backup system, power banks. Most people already own one. A power bank stores electricity inside a small battery. When your phone or device runs out of power, the stored energy can be used later. A power bank won't run a refrigerator. It won't power an air conditioner, and it won't keep an entire home operational. The hidden truth? Power banks are designed for convenience, not energy independence. Think of them as emergency fuel for your most important devices. Portable power stations. Now, let's move up a level. Portable power stations have become one of the fastest growing categories in backup power. Imagine a giant power bank. That's essentially what they are, but with much larger batteries. Many include AC outlets, USB ports, DC outputs, solar charging capabilities. Unlike traditional generators, portable power stations can run laptops, internet routers, lights, medical equipment, small appliances. The downside? Eventually, the battery runs out, and once it's empty, it must be recharged. The hidden truth? Portable power stations are bridging the gap between convenience and resilience. The classic solution when most people think of backup power, they imagine a generator. And for good reason. Generators have been providing emergency power for decades. Gas generators work by converting fuel into electricity. As long as fuel is available, power can continue flowing. That's a major advantage. Unlike batteries, runtime can be extended simply by adding more fuel. Generators are capable of powering refrigerators, freezers, tools, air conditioning systems, larger household loads, but they come with trade-offs: noise, maintenance, fuel storage, and ventilation requirements. Because generators produce exhaust gases, they cannot be operated safely indoors. The hidden truth? Generators remain one of the most reliable backup solutions available, but they also create dependence on fuel availability. Diesel generators, if gasoline generators, are the workhorses of residential backup power. Diesel generators often dominate commercial and industrial environments. Hospitals use them. Data centers use them. Critical infrastructure depends on them. Why? Because diesel engines are known for durability and long operating life. Many can operate for extended periods with proper maintenance. The advantages include long runtime, high efficiency, proven reliability. The disadvantages? Cost, noise, fuel storage requirements, maintenance complexity. The hidden truth? Some of the world's most important facilities remain operational during emergencies because of backup diesel systems quietly waiting in the background. Solar backup systems. Now we reach one of the most interesting developments in modern energy. Solar backup system. Unlike generators, solar systems generate electricity from sunlight. That creates a unique advantage. Renewable energy, quiet operation, reduced fuel dependence, long-term energy production. However, solar systems also have limitations. Weather affects production. Nighttime affects production, and battery storage capacity matters. The hidden truth? Solar power isn't just changing how electricity is generated, it's changing who can generate it. For the first time in modern history, many households can produce meaningful amounts of their own electricity, and that's one reason why interest in energy independence continues to grow. In fact, If you're interested in learning more about energy independence, self-reliance, and alternative approaches to personal energy security, I've placed a resource in the description and pinned comment that explores these concepts in greater detail. It's fascinating to see how people are rethinking their relationship with energy in today's world. Now let's continue. Whole home backup systems offer a different approach. Instead of powering only a few devices, these systems are designed to support large portions of an entire home. Some activate automatically. The moment utility power fails, backup power takes over. No extension cords, no manual startup, no scrambling during an outage. These systems often combine backup generators, battery systems, smart energy management. The result is a much smoother experience. Whole home systems are often among the most expensive backup solutions available. The hidden truth? Whole home backup systems aren't really about electricity. They're about continuity, keeping life operating normally when disruptions occur. The biggest myth about backup power: most people assume backup power is only for emergencies, but that's becoming less true. The hidden truth? The future may belong to hybrid systems, people connected to traditional infrastructure while maintaining additional layers of security and flexibility. The backup power industry is evolving rapidly. Batteries are improving. Solar systems are becoming more accessible. Smart energy management systems are becoming more intelligent. Energy storage technology continues advancing. As these technologies improve, backup power becomes less about emergency preparation and more about everyday resilience. So which system is right for you? The answer depends entirely on your goals. Need to keep your phone charged? A power bank may be enough. Need to keep essential devices running during short outages? A portable power station may be ideal. Need reliable, long-duration power? A generator may make sense. Interested in reducing dependence on external systems over the long term? Solar and battery systems may be worth exploring. If you enjoyed this investigation into the hidden systems behind modern energy, make sure to subscribe to the Frequency Files. And if you'd like to learn more about energy independence and personal energy resilience, check out the resource linked in the description and pinned comment. Until next time, stay curious.